My name is Rana 𝗍𝗶. I'm a visual designer, independent researcher. Most of my work is about designing graphic scores and to be interpreted sonically. And for the first time in this project, I had the chance to perform it, the score I created. My project is about being too sensitive to sounds. It started from the Lebanese Revolution, 17 October, and it lasted till today. And it made me aware of many things, that I'm too sensitive to many sounds, especially sounds that started with me from a very young age, like when I was a kid, sonic memories that grew up with me. And how they still inhabiting me. I'm still haunted by the sound of the city. So I'm trying to let these sounds out of my head. I'm from Tripoli, Lebanon, and everything that happened within the city, from public turmoils, explosions, the conflicts between Jabal and 𝗶𝗵, to many other things and rounds, have affected me and made me aware that a single sound is enough to shake me, no matter what the sound is. So everything that happened within the city, from the explosions of the two mosques, Salam and Taqwa, to the conflicts between Jabal and 𝗶𝗵, to single conflicts between the people living there. So the project changed a lot from where I was thinking about it when I first had the idea till now. Every single step we've been through has affected and challenged the process. Like the workshop we had in Hammana, like the trip to Germany, all the mentors and the artists we met. And what was great a lot was working with 𝗪𝚚 𝗪𝚚 and getting his advices and on where to take the project, how to develop it. Yes.
كمان بتذكر لما الماما كانت تستعمل الغاز لتقلي، خصوصي الزيت، تقلي البطاطا. صوت الزيت القوي لما يطلع، صوت قوي بس يحمى الزيت. كانت الماما على طول تقول لي إنه هيدا الصوت القوي هو صوت البطاطا، عم يحترقوا، عم يعيطوا، عم يصرخوا لأنهم بجهنم، عم يستجيروا من جهنم. الله يجيرنا من جهنم. بس جهنم هي اللي هلا عم نحكي عنها، يلي نحن فيها هلا، أنا عرفتها من عمر كتير.
I'd love to continue the project I've started with Art Evolution. For me, it's like a dream that came true, even if it's just a work in progress for now. I'd love to make it more an installation or a performance installation, not on stage, maybe a place where it affects the architecture of the space, the setting of the space, and my body being available within the space, and how it affected by every single sound. Also the score I created, I'd love to edit it a little bit and develop it so it would cover the whole journey, every sonic memory I had, and how it came out to haunt me now.